Hi, welcome to ScubaDiving.com. In this session we're taking a look at the Oceanic VO1 dive computer. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So this is a wrist-mounted dive computer. Got a nice large wrist strap on the back there. Makes it really easy to wrap around your dry suit cuff, or obviously tighten it up nice and tight and get around your wet suit cuff. Rubberized body on the outside as well. Makes it nice and secure, keeps it in place, and obviously keeps it nice and protected. Uses a single button operation, making the menu system nice and easy to navigate. It's a nice clear display on the front as well, makes it nice and easy to read. Some of the features we've got with this then, we've got a logbook built in, store up to 12 dives, also a dive planner, it's air and nitrox compatible, and the best thing probably about this particular dive computer as well is it has dual algorithms. So what this means is that there's two separate type of dive algorithms that are generally used in the industry. Having both algorithms on the particular dive computer can mean you can mimic any other dive computer in the market. So if you're diving with one of your buddies who has a completely different computer, you can set this up to match whatever profile he's using, and then obviously have a similar dive profile. Makes it exceptionally safe as well when you're diving with somebody else. We also have a user replaceable battery on here as well, so you can swap the battery out yourself, which obviously cuts down on maintenance costs. It's also got a PC interface as well, which is an optional extra which you can purchase, which we do sell separately. Plug it into the computer, transfer all the information from your computer onto your PC or laptop, and get some extra bits and pieces like graphs, and obviously transfer that logbook detail as well, so you can digitally store your logbook. As we said, nice rugged design as well, so it keeps it nice and safe and protected when you're using it. It's also quite lightweight, so nice and comfortable on the wrist. So if we go ahead now and take a look at the menu system and how easy it is to use. So as we said before, single button operation on here makes it nice and easy to use. Nice clear display as well, as you can see. Normally we do have a scratch guard on the front of this computer. We have taken it off for this video just to cut down on any glare, just so you can see the screen a little more clearly. It's also water activated, this computer, so the minute you do get into the water, it will automatically switch to its dive mode. So there's no fiddling around with any buttons or anything like that. You can literally just get into the water and that automation will switch. Make it nice and easy to use. So this single button operation, currently sat in its time mode at the moment. Obviously see the time on the front there. Switching into dive mode, as we said, you just enter the water and it'll automatically switch as well, so it makes it a great and easy to use computer. This button uses a hold and single press system, so you can hold it down to get into the menus, or you can press singularly to then navigate through those menus themselves as well. So from this static page we've got to start here, by pressing it once, will display all the details from your last dive. Great little feature this, obviously when you get out to the water you need to fill out your logbook. You can get all the information just by one push of a button. A second press will show you the temperature of that last dive. And then if we're set onto nitrox as well, a third press will show you all your nitrox details. So nice and simple, and obviously get all the information after you get out of the water. By holding down for 2 seconds, you actually enter into the main menu itself. So one solid press, you can go through to logbook, pressing down again, show you your no-fly and desaturation times. Another hold, shows you your plan. Another hold, you can get set through to your O2, and so on and so forth. So holding down, you can scroll through all those menus. We also have a setting to change your FO2 settings, your O2 settings, your PO2 settings as well. You can also turn on and off the water activation. So when you get into the water, if you decide you want to manually set the computer, you can switch between the two. You can also change the units as well, from metric to also imperial. You can also change your deep stop settings, switch between those algorithms as we mentioned before, and also your time settings as well. So using that hold down feature, you can hold down that button, scan through all those menus, and it works on a loop type system, so you can scroll through all the way through till you get back to the main setting as well. So relatively simple to use as well. That one button operation means there's not too much messing around when it comes to the menu system. Nice and simple and straightforward. When you do obviously get to the menu that you want to get to, So using that hold down system, it's then a case of a single press to change any of those details. So again, nice and simple, just literally by turning on and off details and also changing depth and times and such like. Just a single press once you're in that main menu, and then a hold down and a skip to the next section just confirms all those bits and pieces. So a really simple, straightforward computer to use. Obviously one of the entry level, but you've got everything you need in there to keep you nice and safe and obviously give you all the information you need.